Are you looking for the best women's mountain bike? In this video we will look at some of the best women's mountain bike on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Schwinn High Timber. Schwinn's bikes are a class on their own. And these Schwinn mountain bikes under 300 with a women-specific design is everything you expect from the brand. Let's check out its features. You get to choose from 2 frame styles, aluminum and steel. Also, the proprietary Schwinn suspension fork renders the bike unmatched in responsiveness. Moreover, metals also give it a great lifespan and strength. With the 7 speed shifters working in combination with Shimano rear derailleur, shifting is smooth irrespective of the surface terrain. The precision stopping power comes from a linear alloy brake in the front as well as the back. If you like taking your bike out everywhere from trails to pavements, this is an excellent choice for you. You will also love the 12 colors and the different sizes available. With that in mind, we highly recommend this as one of the best MTB under 300. Number 2. Royce Union RMT. If you love experimenting with your bike rides, the RMT is all you need. It is jam-packed with features that make it a fantastic choice for all women riders. It comes with 17-inch and 15-inch aluminum frames for strength as well as durability. In addition, the 21-speed Shimano Revo shift makes the RMT among the easiest to ride. Moreover, the 27.5-inch wheels with all-terrain tread minimize the rolling assistance, so your ride is smooth irrespective of the surface. Furthermore, this fantastic bike has a 10-year warranty on the frame for total protection. As expected, the RMT comes in different sizes and 2 colors, black and purple. You can't go wrong with this one for women riders who love tackling the twisting and turning of a good trail. Number 3. Mongoose Status Mountain Bike. The Mongoose Status is not a women-specific bike. However, the Status has some neat features that make it suitable for riders of all genders and also one of the best mountain bike a woman should try. With an aluminum frame and hydroform tubing, you can't doubt this bike's strength and durability. In addition, the 21 speeds with Shimano rear derailleur make this bike very easy to ride even for beginners. Furthermore, the 26-inch wheel with alloy rims ensures this bike is a champ in all types of terrains. Number 4. Hiland 26-inch mountain bike for women. Are you looking for a reliable bike for beginners? This one from Hiland is a fantastic choice. It comes with rider-friendly features that will make the transition from a regular bike to a mountain bike a breeze. With 24 speed shifters, you can assume absolute control of the bike in the rides. In addition, the suspension fork and the 26-inch wheels make it the ideal bike for finessing your riding skills on different surfaces. Furthermore, the aluminum alloy frame ensures sturdiness and longevity. Number 5. Huffy Hardtail Mountain Trail Bike. With so many color options and sizes, the Hardtail is perhaps the best mountain bike in versatility for a mountain bike. And of course, it's not all about colors and sizes with this one. This Amazon-exclusive women's mountain bike has aluminum in the construction for strength and reliability. In addition, the 21 speeds make shifting smooth and effortless. The Hardtail entry-level mountain bike comes with front suspension, so you take this bike out on multiple terrains. Moreover, the alloy linear brakes facilitate responsiveness and overall performance.